Hello, good afternoon children. Welcome to your today's math class. So children, as you can see, we are going to study about number system. So what is number system? A number system contains numerals used to represent the numbers. Different countries use different number system, and it is used that in mathematics numbers are used for comparison, for measurement and for counting. So children, there are two types of number system, that are Indian numbering system and international numbering system. So in today's class we will discuss about only Indian number system. What is Indian number system? Let's see. As you can see that there are 9-digit number. These 9-digit numbers are 2, 6, 8, 3, 5, 4, 7, 6 and 2. These are 9-digit number. How can we read this number? Well, this number can be read as 26 crore 83 lakh 54,762. So on the basis how we can read the number, how we read this number, we can divide the number also. That means that we can group the number. How can we group the number? See from the right, the number can be grouped as one number 762, then 54,000, then 83 lakh and at last 26 crore. So children, how we read the number and how we have grouped the number, we can group the digits also. That is, from the right, as I have grouped it 762, so it can be grouped as 762, then 54,000 and then 83 lakh and then 26 crore. So this is how we group the number. So children, these are the periods, or we can say these are the groups name, as we have divided the number into groups. From right side 3 group, then 2 group, then 2 group, the digit of two groups. That is, the first group is called ones group, consists of 3 digits. Then another group consists of 2 digits, that is thousand group. Then lakh group consists of 2 digits and crore group consists of 2 digits. So that is how we name the number. And to make it simple, to make it easy, we can put the comma between these numbers or between these groups. How? One group, another group and then another group. Now how can we read this number? This number can be read as 26, 2 and 6, 26. So 26 lies in the group of crore. So we can read it 26 crore, 26 crore. Then 8 and 3 is called 83. So 83 lies in lakh group. So we can read it as 83 lakh. Then 5, 4, that is 54, lies in thousand group. So it can be read as 54,000. Then at last 3-digit number, that is 762. 3-digit number can be read as 762. And as 762 lies in ones group, so children, we don't say ones. Don't use ones at last, as we have used 54,083 lakh. But here no need to use ones. You just read it 762. So children, you already know the places and the place value. So what are the places of the numbers? The places are, as in earlier slide I have shown you, that in Indian number system we divide the number into the group of, from the right side, into the group of 3, then 2, 2 and 2. So these three numbers having the places of ones, tens, hundred, As I have shown you, in ones group there are 3 digits. So these 3 digits are having the places of ones, tens, hundred, 3 digits, and then in thousand group it is having the 2 digits and the places are 1000 and 10,000. Then in lakh group also having the 2 digits and the places are lakhs and 10 lakh. Again in crore group there are 2 digits having the places of crore and 10 crore. So this is how we can number name it. So children, you have seen that when we divide the number into the group of 3 and then 2, 2 and 2 from the right side, you have to remember that you have to divide the number from the right side always. Always from the right side. When you divide the number into the group of 3, then 2, 2 and 2, this is called the Indian number system. This manner of grouping the number is called Indian number system. So children, let's take some example. Here again I have taken a 9-digit number. So how can you number name it? First of all, what is the first step to number name is to put comma to group the number. So from the 3 digit, put a comma, then again after 2 digit, then 2 digit. Now as I told you, the periods are ones, then thousand, then lakh and then crore. So as 68 lies in crore group, so it will be 68 crore. Then 94 lies in lakh group, so it will be 94 lakh. And then next group is 1000, so 74 lies in 1000 group, so it will be 75,000. And then at last 421. So children, you can see how can we number name. First you have to put the comma and then you have to write the number name. 68 crore, 94 lakhs, then 75,000 and 421. Now what if there is a 0 on any place? What if there will be the 0? So first of all you have to put the comma from the right side after 3 digit and then 2 digit. So first of all write the group name, that is ones and thousand, lakh and crore. So 68 lies in crore group, and here in lakh group there is only 4. So you can't say 04. There is only 4. So you have to read it as 4 lakh and then 75,421. So children, that's all for today. So thank you for watching the video. That's all. Goodbye.